সাম্প্রতিক সময়ে যুক্তরাষ্ট্রের ক্যালিফোর্নিয়া অঙ্গরাজ্যে ভয়াবহ দাবানল ছড়িয়ে পড়েছে। শুষ্ক আবহাওয়া, মরুভূমির তীব্র বাতাস এবং দীর্ঘস্থায়ী খরার ফলে এই আগুন একের পর এক এলাকায় ছড়িয়ে পড়ছে। আজ আমরা কিছু প্রাকৃতিক দুর্যোগ সম্পর্কিত ইংরেজি শব্দের অর্থ এবং ব্যবহার শিখব। Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic, natural calamities vocabulary. These words will help you understand and discuss disasters like wildfires, floods, and earthquakes more effectively. Let's get started. When we hear about natural calamities in the news or read about them in articles, knowing the right vocabulary is crucial and very important. Let's learn 10 key words today and their pronunciations, meanings in Bengali, and example sentences. Word number 1.
Wildfire. Wildfire অর্থ
দাবানল. A wildfire is an uncontrollable fire in a forest or grassland. Example sentence. The wildfire spread quickly, destroying thousands of trees. You can connect this sentence with current events in California, USA. Word number 2. Neighboring. পার্শ্ববর্তী. Neighboring means something close or next to another place. Example sentence. The wildfire affected neighboring villages. Word number 3. Disaster. বিপর্যয়. A disaster is a sudden event causing great damage or loss. Example sentence. The earthquake was the biggest disaster in years. Word number 4. Wildlife. বন্যপ্রাণী. Wildlife refers to animals and plants living in their natural habitat. Example sentence. Wildfires pose a serious threat to wildlife. Word number 5. Damage. ক্ষতি. Damage means harm or destruction. Example sentence. The storm caused significant damage to homes. Word number 6. Control. নিয়ন্ত্রণ. Control is the act of managing or keeping something in check. Example sentence. Firefighters worked hard to control the wildfire. Word number 7. Emergency. জরুরি. An emergency is a serious, unexpected situation requiring immediate action. Example sentence. The government declared an emergency after the earthquake. Word number 8. Relief. মুক্তি অথবা সাহায্য সহায়তা. Relief means assistance given to those in need, often after a disaster. Example sentence. Relief teams provided food and water to flood victims. Word number 9. Precaution. সতর্কতা. পূর্ব সতর্কতা. A precaution is a measure taken to prevent harm. Example sentence. People were advised to take precautions as the cyclone approached. Word number 10. Recovery. পুনরুদ্ধার. Recovery means the process of returning to normal after a disaster. Example sentence. Recovery efforts began immediately after the flood waters receded. Great job everyone. Today we covered 10 essential words related to natural calamities. Practice these words by using them in sentences. Share your sentence in the comments and I will check them out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more vocabulary lessons. See you next time. Thank you very much.